Alright, so this will be the calculation of the weighted moving average, and I'll be going to teach you how to work on this already. So given that our formula that will be going to base with the weighted moving average, we do have here then the P times the weight, then P2 times the weight, and so on, and then over the W weight and everything. So we'll be going to work on that carefully. So let me grab a calculator here then, so that we could be able to finish this that possible. Just a second. Okay. So now then, we do have a data setting here, and supposedly we're going to forecast as well. Forecast June, July, and August. So say for example, we're going to have three forecasted implementation 30 months only. So we'll begin to deal with that one first for June. So the formula given that your P1, so that your P1 rate now is 1,200. So that is 1,200 times the weight for that. The corresponding weight is 5. That's how you will deal with that one. Then you have to add that 1,000. It's actually somewhat the same with a simple moving average. However, there is weight here. So 1,000 times 4, that is the corresponding weight for that one. So afterwards, that is 1,100 times 3, and then plus 1,300 times 2 plus 900 times 1. Okay, over the weight 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Now you have to calculate it one by one step at a time. 1,000 times 5, that is 6,000. Plus 1,000 times 4, that is 4,000. Plus 1,100 times 3, that is 3,300. Plus 1,300 times 2, that is 2,600. Plus 900 over 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 15. Okay, calculate the numerator, 600, and then 6,000 plus 4,000 plus 3,300 plus 2,600 plus 900. So that is over, all in all, 6,800 divided by 15. The answer will be 1,000, 1,120. Sorry. So this will be the answer. We could cast the data for June. What about for July? So for July, what will happen right now, since you were able to calculate already the June, then you already do, you do have the weight for that one here now. So what will you need to do? You have to shift the February into January, March into February, April to March, May to April, and then June to May. So what will happen? 1,000 will be used for the weight of 5, 1,100 will be used for the weight of 4, 1,300 weight of 3, 900 weight of 2, then 1,120 weight of 1. So this is basically shifting as the same with a simple moving average. So what we know how to do right now, 1,000 times 5. So you will do it. And then 1,100 times 4. And then 1,300 times 3. And then 1,000, oh no, no. Oh yeah, let's go. 100 times 2. And then the June, which is because we have 5 day moving average, our base is here. So this is our base. Then 1120 times 1. Then over 5 plus 4. Do not make a shortcut as always, just because of course I don't want you to lose any score. It's always, how does it work actually if we are actually asking you to do it step by step. So you need to really do that one in step by step format. So 1,000 times 5, that is 5,000. Obviously, that is still calculated so that we make sure everything that you are in the same page, that we are in the same page. Now 1,000 equals 4,400 plus 1,300 times 3, that is 39, plus 900 times 2, that is 18, plus 1120. Okay, over 15, and then calculating 5,000. Sorry, sorry, again. 5,000 plus 44 plus 29 plus 18 plus 1120. That is equals to 16,220 divided by 15. That is 3,240. So this is the anticipated, the forecasted data for July. What about for August, since that is the last month we are looking? So since 1,000 earlier, since we were able to have another, so 1,100 will be in 5. So right now, we will update. So we have, 1,100 will be in 5. So that will become 1,100 times 5. Then next will be 1,3, because you will shift this here, you shift it here, you will shift it here, you will shift it here, and then this one you will shift it there. So 1,300 times 4 and 900 times 3 plus 1,020 times 2 plus um chain 3,244 times 1. You have to do it step by step as always. Make sure that you are able to do it one by one. And 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. And calculating them manually. 1,100 times 5, that is 5,500. Plus 1,3 times 4, that is basically 5,200. Plus 900 times 3, that is basically 2,700. Plus 1,020 times 2, that is 2,240. Plus 3,244 times 1 equals 324. And 5 plus, 15. This is 15. Okay, 15. And then right now you will add 2,244 plus 2,440 plus 27 plus 52 plus 55. Okay, calculating that one, that is 18,884 divided by 5. So divide 5 That is basically 3,776.8. So this is the forecasted data for that one right now. So if you will begin to graph it, you just have to analyze that then. So basically, this is how you will begin to do with the custom to upper custom or weighted moving average that you will begin to just reuse the weight, and then you will just shift that to the first weight and reuse and reuse and reuse until you could be able to work on that already. For example, you were able to, for example, the August, September. So, since earlier you shift this up for February, you shifted to if you are forecasting June, so everything, all of them. But if you're forecasting July, February is being shifted into the place of January. Then if you are forecasting August, March will be shifted into January's place. And if you are forecasting September, April will be shifted into January's place. And for October, May will be shifted in that place. And if you're looking for November, you will reduce the this one here then. So you will just continue to persist. So that's actually how you will work on that. You can definitely picture it out. So you have to do it step by step. So I do hope that if, you were able to understand how does it work because this is really basic. That is just the same implementation of the simple moving average. However, um, the different one here is there is a specific weighted average in that particular data. So thank you so much, and I'll be going to work on with another forecasting model in the next video.